Last year, in 2021, the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, the Association of Private Sector Companies that fund our two major parties, called for a mandatory vaccination in workplaces and encouraged the government to make vaccination mandatory. The Prime Minister sought permission from the Supreme Court and went on an all-island education campaign so that he could then make the vaccines mandatory if not enough people were vaccinated after the education campaign. On September 22, 2021, Joseph L Patterson led a march from Heroes Circle to Gordon House, protesting the government's disregard of our right to our bodily autonomy and to make medical decisions for ourselves. He was arrested and charged under the DRMA and Public Order Act, but Mr. Patterson brought a countercharge against the government for breaching our constitutional rights. This charge against the state was brought to the Supreme Court and halted all plans by the government to make the vaccines mandatory. Now, you and I can work without fear of losing our jobs if we refuse the vaccine. Mr. Patterson, however, paid the price on our behalf. Each month he must go to court, and on September 9 he will go to trial at the Mandeville court. Can we, the UIC, count on you, the public, for your support? Will you stand in solidarity for the man who stood up for your rights?